Systems, processes, policies, and procedures saved my life. Personally, what it did for me, it decreases my overhead. It gave me predictable cash flow. A lot of small businesses that fail is because we don't have predictable cash flow. We have 3-4 good months, and the rest of the year we're trying to figure it out.
Right.
Come in with a plan. If you're not planning, you're planning to fail. If I can't leave here without telling everyone here, if you do not have a primary aim, develop a primary aim. Once you develop a primary aim, it will give you a vision. It will give you a mission. It will also let you set realistic goals for yourself. What it also will do is make you face some uncomfortable truths.
Right.
Because if you don't face some uncomfortable truths about yourself, your business will not make it. Your business is an extension of you. If you ain't paying your bills on time, now you ain't gonna pay your bills when you start a business. Simple as that.
Right.